Welcome. This video gives an overview of the Bank Account Analysis tabs and explains how DSAs analyze bank statements. After analysis, the summary details of the report appear by default. Here you can view the basic bank account details like account holder, number, and statement period. Moving to the Overview tab, key metrics are displayed, including the Precisa score, volatility score, and monthly average balance. The tab within the Overview section provides graphical insights into deposits and withdrawals over the statement period, highlighting monthly trends in transaction activity. Another graph illustrates the monthly average balance, highlighting fluctuations and overall liquidity trends in the account. The Irregularities section within the Overview tab highlights specific flagged activities and the number of incidences for each, using warning icons for immediate attention. In the dedicated Irregularities tab, you can expand each category for a more detailed breakdown of the flagged transactions. The Cash Flow tab provides a monthly breakdown of inflows, outflows, net cash flow, and average balance, along with transaction counts for business and non-business activities. As you scroll down in the Cash Flow tab, you'll see cumulative quarterly and financial year summaries for inflows, outflows, net cash flow, and monthly median values. Within the Cash Flow Analysis tab, the top 5 debit and credit transactions are presented, categorized by date, particulars, amount, and category. This expanded view of the cash flow analysis presents the top 10 uses and sources in detail, including counterparty, total transaction amount and count, and recurring transaction metrics. The Bounced Checks tab categorizes bounced checks into inward, outward, and same-day checks, with a count for each type. Expanding the Bounced Checks view reveals detailed tables for both inward and outward checks, showing transaction date, particulars, amounts, and the resulting balance. Similarly, the table for same-day checks is expanded, showing specific transaction details, including the debit or credit amount, and the resulting balance. The Charges and Returns tab is divided into 2 sections, Charges and Probable Returns. Expanding the Charges section provides a detailed list of all bank charges recorded, including the transaction date, particulars, debit amount, and tags for easy identification. Moving to the Loans tab, we find a table detailing various loans, including the counterparty, debit and credit amounts, transaction counts, and any missed payments. Under the Loans Analysis tab, the Loan Details table provides specifics for each lender, including the loan credit, debit, EMI details, start dates, and obligation status. For a detailed demo or any queries, please reach out to us. Thank you.